Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with another powerful weight loss video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 2 pounds in 2 days, okay? This is an extreme weight loss tea and it is so easy to make, okay? It's full of wonderful benefits for your body and I will explain a little bit more in the video. But before proceeding, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and turn that notification bell to all so you will not miss another one of these wonderful videos, alright? So, without any further ado, let's start this video. So let me show you these wonderful ingredients that you're going to need for this powerful tea. Alright, we're going to be using at least a teaspoon of our ginger root. If you don't have fresh ginger root, you can also use ginger powder. We're going to be using a half a teaspoon of our garlic cloves. If you don't have garlic cloves, you can also use the garlic powder. We're also going to be using about 1 inch of our turmeric root. Now this is a little bit more than 1 inch, so that's okay. Some black pepper, a half a lemon, and our wonderful lemongrass. Now if you want to know where to buy this, look down in the eBay store. You will find this wonderful 200 grams of dry lemongrass, our honey to sweeten, and we're going to be working with 2 cups of water. Now you're also going to need a pot, so we're going to put our little pot on the stove. Next you're going to pour in your water. I'm going to take my garlic and I'm just going to grate that right into the pan. Okay. Now this is also wonderful for immune boosting. This is going to help to boost your immune system as well. And I'm also going to take my turmeric and grate that in my pot as well. What I'm showing you is easy, fast tea recipes that you can do fast and easy in the morning. Does not take much. And we're going to take our ginger. Now our ginger, we're going to use a half a ginger root. A half a teaspoon of ginger root. If you don't have your ginger root, you can use a half a teaspoon of your ginger powder. If you don't have a grater, you can just mince it up into fine pieces. And just make sure you get all of that wonderful deliciousness in your pot. Next, we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of our black pepper. Okay, sprinkle that in there. And lastly, we're going to take about 1 teaspoon of our lemongrass and pop that in there as well. I'm going to add in another teaspoon. Okay, and we're just going to bring this to a boil for at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And what I like to do is I like to cover my pan so this way it can actually steam really well while it's boiling. Okay, so I'm going to put it on a low flame and I'm just going to cover it with my random pot cover. And I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and now it's time to strain our tea. So what you're going to need is a strainer, and we're going to pour this into our cup. Delicious. All right, and of course we're going to juice our lemon into our cup. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add in a little bit of our honey just to sweeten. And there you have it, you guys, this wonderful weight loss immune boosting tea. And this is going to help you to lose 2 pounds in 2 days. This is a turmeric immunity boosting weight loss tea with wonderful benefits. Okay, so what you're going to do is drink this twice a day. You're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're also going to drink this in the evening before bed. So you drink this tea twice a day, okay? It's powerful. You're going to see your body shrink. You're also going to reap the benefits of this awesome immune boosting, okay? The immune boosting part of it, which is going to boost your immune system, which is something that we're going to need at this time, you know, in these days that we're dealing with this virus going around. This is a powerful two-parter tea. It's going to boost your immune system, as well as you're going to see some weight loss because of the fat burning properties in it. Okay, so you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, and also check down below for the links for the personal size and the full size NutriBullet blenders, as well as these wonderful metal straws. Okay, and also check down below in my eBay store for these awesome herbs and honeys that's going to do so much for your body. And also, you guys, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, family challenges, vlogs, and more. All right, and until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and stay tuned for an important announcement on a giveaway. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.